Hey everybody, today I want to show you how to draw a shark. So the first thing we're going to do is draw the dorsal fin. That's the fin on top of the shark. And we'll just start with a straight line up, and then we'll curve that around. There we go. Now let's draw the front of the shark, so that'll be a straight line out here to the left. And we'll draw the back of the shark. Same kind of line going back. My lines are a little bit angled, but yours can be straight. Now let's finish the body by drawing a big curved line down here from the front all the way to the back. And let's leave a little bit of space there so that we can draw the tail. And that will just be a curved line up from the top and a slightly smaller one curving down. And then let's connect those to finish up the tail with another curved line. There we go. Okay, now let's move on to the head of the shark. So we'll draw a little circle up here in the front for the nose. And now a slightly bigger circle just behind that for the eye. Go. And our shark's going to look forward, so let's draw the pupil here in the front. And then let's fill it in, except for a little bit at the top there, so give it a shiny look. And today our shark is going to be a little bit angry. Maybe he's grumpy because he's hungry. Next, let's draw his mouth. So that'll be a curved line out, and then just behind the eye, let's turn it and bring it back towards the front. Okay, and let's give him a little curved line up here for a cheek at the end of his mouth. Now if he's going to eat, he needs some big sharp teeth, so let's draw some zigzag lines from the front of the mouth all the way to the back. Give him a whole bunch of teeth. There we go. All right, now let's help him swim a little bit, and we'll give him a side fin. So somewhere here in the middle of the body, let's draw a straight angled line out, and then another one back. And then to finish, let's draw the gills so he can breathe. And that'll just be some curved lines here. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the tutorial. See you next time.